Okay, everyone, looks like this elevator is still going to be used right now, for now. But it looks like it is soon going to be demolished because they are getting all these places are going to be vacant soon, including the Nordstrom, which was relocated. So, take a ride on this probably for the last time. It's from Montgomery, too. Oh, that's strange. Go to LL.
And this one isn't so good.
This is an old one.
Right, because they're getting rid of this probably too.
Yeah, they are. It's probably one of the only original mall elevators they have. That's a UL now. Let's get a view up here. So this is probably one of the only stores that's still in this area of the mall. Everything else is like getting ready to be gone. You can see they're trying to add on, and after they demolish this, so yeah.
Oh, we're getting high.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to LL now and see what it looks like down here. There's a phone. And look down here. Oh, that's abandoned. All these shops down here are vacant and gone. And there's an escalator there that is out of service now because it used to go up to Nordstrom. But yeah, everything is pretty much a disaster here. So now I'll go back up and end it at 1. So. The bell doesn't work anymore. It did when I first hit it. Okay, where's that eye? I don't know what level that is, but is that one? Probably. It's I. Okay, that'll be the final ride on this thing, so there it goes. And that'll be it.
Come back again someday.
Mm-hmm.